time, fucking private jet. They got that shit, bro, which is beautiful, bro. I feel like I'm fucking up right now. But it's not me up, bro. It's my friend up. Yo, there's not even TSA or something like that, bro. It's just like this, bro. For real? I'm not care. This is fucking crazy.
You look so fucking ugly.
Chill, bro.
You look so fucking ugly.
This is my first time, bro. Chill, bro. I look good, bro. Come on, bro. I look good, bro. Look at me. Oh, you gotta see him slide.
Yeah.
Got to be up.
Have you ever been in a private jet? Your first time, right?
No, my first time. Damn, look at that shit, bro.
English or Spanish? First one to move is gay. You look. My bubble bear. Hey. Hey, yo.
It's fucking ugly.